So me and Paisley are having dinner with McDonald's, sponsored by Paisley's mom and dad. No, so Paisley gonna slide. Are you gonna slide? So yes, let's go. Pull. Go.
Let's go to
Chicken and rice.
It's spicy or?
I don't know.
It's Cribbies.
Oh yeah.
Cribbies. Happy birthday to Cribbies. We're in McDonald's with the channel.
So we are playing tic-tac-toe. Okay, go. What are you at? Oh. Okay. Oh, I win.
One round, okay?
Okay, go. Your X? Your O? I'm X. 2-0.
Me and 0.
Never mind.
You guys just watching my video. Like this video. Don't subscribe in Uncle Francis' video. Only subscribe and like and video and share.
Okay, bye. Let's go. Little bit of overcast way behind me. Yeah. Anyway, it is a Sabbath at lunchtime, and there's piece of people, Pacific Island student, they said they wanna have a brunch. Not brunch. This piece are having lunch today, and then lunch will lead to afternoon fellowship. So I'm gonna go. Have been invited to go. So by Ricky and Alo and Sina. Anyway, the Solomon Island people invite me. But anyway, I think I feel forced going to this lunch. I've been asked by 3 different people to go. So 3 different people from the same family. So yeah, I'm gonna meet them. I think the PNC students are leading out to worship today, so that's a good thing also. So yeah, they said 1:30 lunch, so it's 1 o'clock now, so I'm walking in. Lunch is around 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m. and they said that no Pacific Island time, which every country have their own time. Pacific Island time is you come 1 hour after the proposed gathering time. So they said no Pacific Island time, so they said 1:30. So I'm here and it's 1:19. So they said 1:30. So I hope they stick to their schedule. No one's here yet, so I have to sit and wait. There's like passion fruit here. There's like a lot of it here. I think it's from the... Oh yeah, it's right above me. I'll see if it's still good. Yeah, the passion fruit is right above me. Let me just see if it's still good. Hi. Hi. Passion fruit. Oh, yeah, that's passion fruit. It's good. Actually. Never touch me. You will never touch me. You will never touch me.
I touched
No,
the
you
crown.
touched the GoPro.
I touched the crown. Uncle Wine, I call you auntie.
Huh?
Uncle Wine, I call you auntie.
Why?
I call you
I'm
auntie.
your uncle.
long shot guys.
It's there. We are trying to collect water from the water station here in campus and then bring it back to the combined lunch thing. Is it potluck or lunch?
Potluck? What the hell, man?
Then why do you guys say it's lunch?
Who said lunch?
Ricky. So it's not lunch, it's potluck.
Hey, where?
So anyway, this is the campus water station. Bruh,
So let's go.
is it empty?
Why you can I made it look easy.
I know, you made it look easy. I thought it was empty.
That's the hand for destroying the frisbee.
You made it look easy. A bloody toe.
This guy, dead strength.
Tend to ask another question. So if I ask a question, Bible quiz, Clara answer it, she will give the other question. Like example, who's the first man who walked the earth? I raise your hand and answer. It's very easy. Okay. Koren, you.
You're using data so we can actually go there. But the light is good here.
But we're not gonna record anything.
Yeah. We are here doing some recording.
Next time I have to song bring that too.
Oh yes. Yeah, we are doing recording for Ime. For his stuff. For her stuff, sorry. Oh, it's dark. It is 7:37. 7:30 in the morning. Last night was like a beautiful fog. So I have to go out and fly the drone, take some footage. Anyway, today is the SPISA doing a little bit of fundraising work, digging soil. So that's why I'm here early in the morning. The president said at 8 o'clock we should start digging, and he said 7:30 meetup time. I learned that yesterday that that's not always the case. Pacific time always play a big role. So I left the house at 7:30. We are digging up the soil here at the College of Arts and Humanity at the university. So anyway, I'm the first one here again. The president said it's always Pacific Island time. Never learned. So yeah, I'm here early. Just gonna sit and wait for everyone to come. So yeah, we are digging there. So that group of dirt there, yeah, we're actually filling up bags with those. I just texted Ricky just to see if we are still digging or not, because it's going up to 8:30 now and no one is there, no signs of anyone trying to come and dig. People should be there now, but now it's island time. So anyway, I texted Ricky, I sent him a message, and him and Halo are just heading out now. So I'm just gonna walk around campus. It's a nice lighting, and then probably meet them back at the CAH. It's only 5 bags, so it will be quicker.
waiting for food. We have been waiting for almost like 30 minutes now. We finished work like 9ish, and it's almost like time check. My bad. 9:43. So we waited. I work like finish. I'm not taking it for 20 minutes too for coffee. So the work is fast when everybody's giving it. Yeah? So right now we're gonna eat. Thank you for food, guys. I hope. Oh yes, Francis and I were drinking the juice. See, what I like also finish now. We thought finishing small one. Now we thought soon go big one. So soon. Yo, basta. Ini full up
Drag from the back.
I know I'm fighting.
Hey! Turn it around. Drag from the back.
So it's Yeli's birthday today, so we just finished digging the soil thingy I think 2 hours ago, finished around 10 or 11. So now it's what's the time now? Now it's almost 1:48. So I'm gonna head up, say hi to the birthday girl, and then probably go inside and throw some frisbee around and then play football afterwards. Yeah, that's my day. Let's go up.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in an novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn.
Alo's wife arrived yesterday from Solomon Island, and she brought some traditional food, like not traditional food, but food that was prepared in the traditional way. So Solomon Island and Papua New Guinea, we share the same ethnic group, so some of our cultures and way of eating food preparation is the same. So it's across the Pacific. So anyway, she brought some of the food there, so Alo asked me to go for dinner with them tonight. I think last night or 2 nights ago, they invited me to go and have pizza there with them. I didn't go, so I kind of have to go today because they invited me for dinner last time. I didn't go. I went to bed and I slept, and I didn't want to get out. So yeah. Anyway, I just got back from the Solomon Island family up there. Enjoyed the dinner up there with the cassava and fish. So basically they bake the cassava and fish in hot stone. That is called mumu in PNG, my country, and is moto in Solomon Island. But it's just the same concept of traditional cooking with hot stove. Yeah, so it has been a very chaotic week, this 3-4 days or something. So anyway, I'm ending this collectional vlog here. See you on the next one.